choir of echoes dressed in white. Footsteps circle hollow air, smiles stitched but no one's there. Piano whispers through the floor, heaven knocking, no locked door. Velvet curtains breathe my name, holy smoke and sugar flame. Hear the organ bend the sky, halo crack but still I fly. Every promise swings on wire, sweet decay inside the choir. Fall, rise, spin in the velvet night. Bass, lights, teeth in the holy light. Stop, go, heartbeat synchronized. Dark circus baptized in sound. We dance where gravity's drowned. We dance where gravity's drowned. Silver dust on broken crowns. Laughing angels spiral down. Mirrors hum in minor keys. Saints with painted memories. Low voice preaching neon sins. Choir of ghosts beneath my skin. Every snare a thunderclap. Every wobble pulls me back. Build the breath, hold the line. Pitch bends twist the sacred spine. Hands up, heads low. Hear the chapel overflow. Fall, rise, spin in the velvet night. Bass, bite, sight, teeth in the holy light. Stop, go, heartbeats synchronized. Dark circus baptized in sound. We dance where gravity's drowned. Bass tone, cathedrals carved from undertone. Choirs glitch in silver rain. Bless this beautiful decay.